What up, everybody? It's JB at Staxx and Packz. Friday night. It is July 22nd, 8:48 p.m. Central. We are going to do our first Optic football hobby break. We got a 3-box pick your team tonight. This is the new Optic Donruss football. You get 1 auto a box, 4 cards per pack, 20 packs. Also got that special downtown, and they got a lot of new inserts this year. And as of course, all the autos are on card, which is one of my favorite parts about Optic, and the gold vinyls 101s, and also downtowns and RPAs. Other parallels like the Black Pandora. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First box. All cards shipped. Alright, here we go. Box number 1. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. 1 second. Make sure you, if you're not in this break and you want to get in on something tonight, I have auctions going off all night. Nightbot should be dropping the link to my eBay in the chat. Do got some Prism basketball back here. I got some Prism football and the mixers coming up. And then, like I said, I'll have the other case of Optic tomorrow. Okay, here we go. I watched a couple breaks of Optic. The base design is alright. It's a little boring, but you're mainly looking for the color and the parallels anyway, the hollows. Of course, the downtown. Then they got the gold vinyls this year. They have, well, they always have the gold vinyls, but they got downtown's gold and Black Pandora. Those are new. They used to just have the gold vinyls. I've seen even a die cut insert that's new. It's like white hot rookies, I think. There's a sunrise insert. Of course, you got the pink velocity, which I see one right there. All rookies will be sleeved. All numbered cards will be sleeved. Anything 100, serial numbered 100 or below gets top loaded, and autos are top loaded. Top rookies are top loaded. If your card, if we think your card is, because it's a new product, so we probably won't have comps, but if your card is most likely $1,000 or plus, I'll overnight your card to you for free. Alright, here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. Sorry, it's taking me a second to get situated here. Alright, here we go. Now we're good. Alright, let's go. So like I said, all your base will ship. Amon-Ra St. Brown is our first rookie for the Lions. We got Christian Barmore for the Patriots. Let's see. Do we have a... Oh, I thought that was a downtown already. Tylan Wallace. And we got a Red Hot Rookies. I thought we might have had a downtown already. Nice. Najee Harris on the Red Hot Rookies for the Steelers. Forgot the downtowns do have the base version has a laser parallel this year, so think they might be flipped around backwards as well. Let's see. Najee Harris, nice. Steelers with the first hit. That's going to go to Robert Jackson. Very nice. If you don't see me sleeve a rookie or numbered card or something on screen, don't worry. It will be sleeved and protected before I ship it. Sometimes if I start getting behind schedule, I might not sleeve some of them right away. Okay, we have a red coming up. There's Ronnie Perkins for the Patriots in our red. Josh Allen for the Jags. 97 of 99. Red Jaguar Josh Allen. It's going to Frank. There you go, Frank. These were loose boxes, so I don't know if we'll get a downtown or anything or not, but hopefully we do. Looks like we got a cracked ice coming up. There's Cornell Powell for the Chiefs for Tony. Cracked ice. Mike Evans for the Bucks. Those are, wow, that's numbered to 15. Wow, nice. For the Buccaneers, Bruce. It is Mike Evans, 6 of 15. Very nice. That's a cool hit right there. I'll put that one up here for now. And then the Chiefs running back, rookie, or wide receiver rookie, sorry, Cornell Powell. Let's see, Tommy Tremble for the Panthers. And a blue, true blue of Elijah Holden. That's going to go to the Titans to 179. 79 of 179. Tennessee is Mr. Ron Payne. Ron Payne. Elijah Molden. Joe Tryon Shawinka for the Buccaneers. Bruce again. Still looking for our autograph as well. And Kyle Trask, another Buccaneer. Buccaneers box so far. That's going to go to Bruce. Rookie quarterback Kyle Trask. Alright, we got a Yvonne Holland for Miami. And Glow Ball. It's another new insert this year. Amon-Ra St. Brown for Detroit. Nice. These are kind of cool. Amon-Ra. Let's see. He was born in Germany. That's going to go to Lions, and that is Chris Powell. Here comes a Pink Velocity. Pink Velocity coming up. There's a Chuba. Jabril Cox for Dallas Cowboys. Cowboys with the Pink Velocity rated rookie. That is going to be number 22 of 79 for Joseph Clark. Those are nice. That would have been a nice Micah right there, but we'll take a Jabril Cox. Very nice. This is still box one. I definitely do like the quality of the cards. The cards seem pretty nice. They look pretty well centered compared to the Prism. Maybe off a little on top to bottom on some of them, but of course it's going to happen. We might have a rated rookie. Nope. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. That's cool, though. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. Very nice. And Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers. Panthers are Adam. Then there's a Kenneth Gainwell for the Eagles. For John. Alright, where's our autograph? We have a Najee. Dominators of Kamara. Levi, a Warsick, and a blue, true blue of Curtis Samuel for the Commanders. The Commanders are going to go to Joshua. Najee base rookie to go with the Red Hot Rookies insert. So we have Aqua coming up here. There's Ian Book for the Saints. For Emily, and Jimmy Graham, bear down for the Bears. Gonna be out at $2.99. Jimmy Graham for Ed. Hey, what's up, Brent? How you doing? Yeah, Optic is my favorite overall. I love Optic. Here's our auto, guys. Good luck. Oh, wow. It's a cracked ice auto. I think that's the auto. It's a rookie. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Dennis Fitzpatrick. Team colors with the cracked ice on card. What is that out of 15? It is. Very nice. 5 of 15. And that's going to go to Mr. Ron Payne. Wow, that's nice. I'm going to mag that one. Out of 15, that's a beautiful card. With A.J. Brown gone now, who knows? He might step into a bigger role. And who knows? Definitely would hold on to that card for now. The Tennessee Titans strike with the first autograph. And it is a cracked ice color match out of 15 rookie. All right. We have a rookie of Eric Stokes for the Packers. Jarrett Patterson for the Commanders. Oh, that's nice too. The top edge is a little rough on this one. Kyle Pitts hollow. Top edge is a little rough. That's going to the Falcons for I didn't know if that's 2L. I'm guessing that's a I and an L. Elon? Elon? Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Going to the Falcons. Nice hit right there. And then another one. This is Jacob Harris Hollow. Going to the Rams. Rams. Matthew G. These are so nice. It's my first box breaking in person of it. The colored ones look extremely nice in person. There's Nashawn Wright. Colored cards are very clean. Surface is very clean on most of them as well. You can see the reflection. The thing is like very nice looking. I wonder how come Ian Book's name is in black. Maybe just because of the tan background it wouldn't show up as well. I don't know. His name is in black though. Alright, here we go. We got orange. There's a Kellen Mond, the rookies insert for the Vikings. J.C. Horn for the Panthers, and our orange. Ooh, color match. Jerry Jeudy, Denver Broncos. That's nice looking too. That's going to be numbered out of 199. Broncos are Richard. Color match, orange, Jerry Jeudy. Very nice card right there. Trey Lance downtown, that'd be sick. I seen the gold vinyl 101 Mac was already hit. Maybe we can pull the 101 Trey if it hasn't been hit. Let's see. Hey, T-Law. Base rookie of T-Law for the Jags. There you go, Frank. That's just a Najee. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. To $2.99. I'll show you in a second here. Rest of the box. We got a Rashad Bateman and Alvin Kamara hollow for the Saints. Decent first box. It's a Najee Red Hot rookie insert. It's one of their new inserts this year. They also have a White Hot, and I think it's the one that's the die cut. Alright, that was box one. Alright, overall, probably I'd rate it like a average box. Not the best, but not the worst. Alright, let's go to box two. If you are in the football mixer, I think I got all the invoices sent out. I got that break scheduled at 10:05 p.m. Central, I believe. I gave myself a little extra time in case something happened with the beginning of the stream. Alright, here we go. Box two. Hit the like button. Get us, I don't know where we're at, but get us to 25 likes and we'll give away a Prism Cello next. Alright, here we go. Box 2. Let's get a downtown or a 101. Come on, baby. Or RPA. Or, I don't know if they have them this year. In 2019, I pulled a triple auto. It was Dwayne Haskins, Kyler Murray, Daniel Jones. I posted that on IG last night. Also pulled the downtown 101 Daniel Jones in 19. We're due for a big hit on a Prism too. I've went back to Prism multiple times. Still looking for a manga. Color Blast or something. One black. Somebody said that Henry Ruggs has autos in this. Thought that was a little bit odd. All right, here we go. Here we go, box 2. Good luck. Let's see what we have. Box 2. Pete Werner. There's Danny Dimes right there. Orange to 199 going to the Giants. Yeah. The Giants are Joshua. Kene Nwangwu rookie for the Vikings for Kevin. Here's a DeForest Buckner team color. Oh, it's a little lighter than team color. $2.99 for the Colts. Going to Joshua. Uh-oh, we have a... Looks like it might be an insert auto or something. Frank Darby on the back. Not sure if this is some kind of an insert auto. Yes, it is. Elite Series rookie. I believe it's an auto. Who's that? Oh, Devonta Smith. Nice. That's nice looking. What is that number to? 99. 25 of 99. Nice. For the Eagles. For John. That's actually a sticker auto. So, that insert auto is a sticker. Devonta Smith insert auto, Elite Series rookie to 99. Still a nice looking card. Alright, here's our Frank Darby for the Falcons. Steve McMichael, Mongo, bear down. And we have a Quiddy Pay. You gotta have your Quiddy Pay in every break for the Colts. Justin Jefferson, Josh Allen, and there's our first Mac Jones of the night. Gonna go to the Patriots and the Kenneth. Rich Gannon Retro Series for the Raiders. The Raiders are going to be Chris R. Devonta Smith base rookie, and these are kind of cool. This is a legendary logo, Derek Carr. Just a little throwback logo. Hollow version on that one. Raiders are Chris.
You could have played a cassette tape. You could have listened to an 8-track tape. If you knew what an 8-track tape looked like. But you listen to Spotify.
I seen a black Mac Jones like that one pulled earlier. Really nice card with the old Patriots logo. I said I would only top load 100 or below, but the colored ones are too nice. I gotta give it top loads to these colored ones as well. These are really nice looking. We got another pink and an orange coming up here. All right, let's see. Elijah Vera Tucker, and our pink is Damian Harris for the Patriots. 54 out of 79. Damian Harris. For Kenneth. Nick Bolton for the Chiefs, and Zaven Collins, linebacker for the Cardinals. There we go, Cardinals, Chris P. Orange rated rookie, numbered out of 199. Alright, come on. Let's see a 101 or a Black Pandora or something. Khalil Mack. Here's a Pat Freiermuth for the Steelers. Keenan Allen, team color right there. That's nice. Aqua, $2.99 for the Chargers. Keenan Allen for Brandon L. Highland Hill for the Packers. James Robinson Hollow for the Jags. Jamin Davis for the Commanders. There's a Mahomes base. Davis Mills. First one of him tonight for the Texans. Joseph, and a purple. It's a rookie of Jeremiah Owusu Koromora. Cleveland with the hit. It's going to go to Phil. That is numbered out of 50. 7 out of 50. We got Joseph Asai, For the Bengals, Jeff Okuda Hollow. Des Fitzpatrick base. Oh, that's nice. Devin White, the champ is here. It's like a laser prism insert for the Bucks. The Bucks are killing it. Bucks with another hit. That's going to go to Mr. Bruce L. Devin White. The champ is here with the laser prism. Sweet card. Oh, they got discos in here too. Okay, Terrace Marshall, Elijah Moore, Gridiron Kings rookie for the Jets. Diami Brown, and what is this? Javonte for the Broncos. Oh, it's numbered 71 of 125. Denver Broncos, Richard P. Nice. $71 of 125. Chaz Surratt for the Vikings. Oh, how about a Justin Herbert blue to 179? That's nice. That's a clean card right there. A Herbie blue going to Brandon L. That's nice. There we go, Brandon. Justin Herbert, true blue to 179. Yeah, this is the only Optic for tonight. The rest will break tomorrow. Nice Herbie. Ramondre Stevenson, Christian Barmore hollow. All right, couple more to go, and then we got one more box. Chris Evans, rookie. Greg Newsome for the Browns, and there's one of the new inserts as well. A Zach Wilson gifted rookie for the Jets. Nice. New York Jets, Charles. Gifted rookie of Zach Wilson. I was going to try to start him earlier because number 2 wasn't supposed to start tonight until 10:05, so I was going to try to start him around maybe 8 Central. But I was going to message the people on eBay first and see if that would be okay. The people that are in number 2, if I can start it a little earlier tomorrow. But I will update it on if you go to Staxx and Packz on Facebook or on Instagram. I will keep you updated on there, but I'll send out messages to everybody that bought into number 2 on eBay. All right, here's box 3, and then I'll do a recap, and we'll get the next mixer going here. I should be able to start the next one on time, and we'll be on time. Or right on schedule. Alright, here we go. Box 3. Yeah, I'm hoping for a big Lance. We need a big quarterback auto or something here. Low numbered, gold vinyl, 101. Black Pandora. Something here. Let's go. RPA. Yeah, I'll have 3 extra Optic for tomorrow then. Since I was supposed to start with the case tonight. So I can run an extra break tomorrow. To be able to finish breaking the full case all in one night. I'll just have to put the break on my own website or something because I didn't have time to get those listed for tonight for 24-hour auctions on eBay before I went live. All right, here we go. Last box mojo. Let's go. Good luck. We got a Rondale Moore for the Cardinals. Here's a Ryan Tannehill. It should be out of 125. 93 of 125 for the Titans. Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. Vince Young to 199 for the Titans. Orange. Anthony Schwartz in our auto. Oh, that's kind of cool. Kadarius Toney to 99. 47 of 99. Gridiron Kings for the Giants. Who got the Giants? The Giants are Joshua D. Nice Kadarius. Insert auto. So it looks like the insert autos are going to be sticker autos. Nice Kadarius. Brevin Jordan rookie. Sam Ellinger for the Colts. And we have a My House of Aaron Rodgers hollow. My House going to the Packers. It's going to be Joshua D. Rashawn Slater rookie for the Chargers. Here's a red Earl Campbell. It's the Titans box. Oilers, but goes to the Titans. 33 of 99 red. Ron getting a lot of hits on the Titans spot. Kellen Mond for the Vikings. And there's a black... Oh, wow. It is a Titans box. There we go. How about Derrick Henry, Black Pandora, 4 of 25. Look at that. These are so nice. King Henry. Titan spot crushed this break. I would not have thought that it would have been a crushing by the Titans. Clinton Portis, DK Metcalf.
Want to be more active this summer?
Andre Cisco. There's a holo of Tylan Wallace for the Ravens. Michael Carter, rookie for the Jets. Peyton Turner for the Saints. Amon-Ra, elite rookies. We have a cracked ice coming up. Should be at a 15. Odaf Owe. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. 8 out of 15. Nice hit going to Mr. John H. Jake Plummer, Elijah Moore, Khalil Herbert, true blue for the Bears. Does have a little dimple on this one. True blue Khalil Herbert. Ed Stanley with the hit. It's going to be numbered to 179. 55 out of 179 for the Khalil Herbert. Aziz Jewelry, Devin White holo, Nico Collins for the Texans, running back rookie. Luke Farrell, tight end rookie for the Jags. Charles Woodson, Retro Series holo. Hey, Justin Fields, bear down. First Fields, base rookie. Take that though. Aqua to 299 of Joe Tryon Shawinka for the Bucks. The Bucks got a lot of nice hits as well. Quinn Menrez for the Broncos, and a DeAndre Swift for the Lions, red. 45 of 99 on the Swift. That's going to go to Chris. Tutu Atwell, holo of Bo Jackson for the Raiders. Alright, a few more to go. Oh, we got one of those Rookie King inserts. Those are cool. Elijah Moore. Elijah Molden. Mike Gesicki. Blake Martinez. Boogie Basham. And our last hit of the break. Rookie Kings. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Justin Fields. Boom. Is it numbered? Not numbered, but still sick hit. Justin Fields going to the Bears. Rookie Kings for Ed. Nice hit, Ed. Alright, let me go ahead and get these other ones sleeved up and top loaded, and then I'll do a recap here. Like I said, if you are in 2, 3, and 4, don't, or if you get into 3 and 4, I don't know if they've all went off yet. You don't have to pay tonight. Don't worry about paying tonight. I'll get your combined invoices sent to you by tomorrow. And I will message you if you're in 2 and see if it's okay to start the break at around 8 p.m. tomorrow Central. And then I might be able to go ahead and just add another break so we can end up breaking the full case tomorrow night, because it'll be a 12-box case coming in the morning. Coming up next, we have a Prism Hobby football. We have a No Huddle Prism football. And the new Chronicles H2 3-box mixer. And then after that, we got a 3-box Prism Pick Your Team. And then another No Huddle Prism and H2 Chronicles after that. There should be some teams still available for other breaks tonight if you want to get in on something. Go to that eBay link in the chat. See if there's anything you want to get in on. You want the Titans in the next break? There should be Titans hits left. Different products. I haven't broke Prism football in what, 3-4 weeks now. 3, I don't know. I lose track of time. I don't know if it's been out a month, hasn't it? I haven't broken it in a while. I had to take a break. All right, here's a quick recap. Yeah, I only combine shipping per break. So if you're in the Mixer 1, you should have already got a combined invoice. The breaks are not combined for shipping, it's just per break. Buy as many teams in each break as you want for $5 on shipping. Let's see. All right, so here's our stand cards here. We had a Mac Jones base. Let's see. Red Hot Rookies. Najee Harris. Justin Herbert, True Blue to 179. It's a nice one right there. Pink Velocity to 79 of Jabril Cox. Javonte Williams to 125 rookie. Mike Evans, Blue, Cracked Ice to 15. Got an insert auto Elite Series rookies. Devonta Smith to 99. Black Pandora, Derrick Henry. 4/25 on that one. Kadarius Toney, nice insert auto here for the Giants to 99. Gridiron Kings. Rookie Kings Laser Prism of Justin Fields. And a pretty cool auto color match on card rated rookie of Dez Fitzpatrick, number to 15. 5/15 on the serial number there. Alright, that's going to do it for our 2021 Donruss Optic Football 3-box Pick Your Team number 1. Thank you for watching and joining. I appreciate it very much. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the bell button. Yeah.